Emily, you're going to be in charge of the blue one. So what you're going to do is you're going to paint your hands, and who knows what shape a rainbow is? Who can draw it with their finger? Can you draw it with your finger in the sky? That's so right. Cool. So we're going to do handprints all the way across the top of our paper in your colour.
That's nice.
Then all the way over. We're then going to swap everyone's paper, and you're going to do your colour on someone else's picture. Yay. Sound good? Yeah. Right, everyone get themselves a paintbrush.
Okay.
And your paint. You can move your hands.
Let me see.
That's it. So then you're going to splat your hand on paper. And then another one. And then another one. And then another one. That's it, right?
Wow.
All the way around in a big up. Oh, Skylar, that looks so cool.
Good job.
Very good. All the way around. That's it. Good job. Amazing. Wow. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're all going to pass our pictures to the person.
Amazing.
Jessica, you're going to have Emily's. I'm going to take yours over here. All your hands again. You can stick it in the paint if you really want to. And then with the paint on.
Good.
There you go. Big circle.
One here.
That's nice.
More, please.
You guys are doing such a good job.
Put your hand on it.
Awesome job. Well done.
Splat. Skylar, splat. Splat. Good splat.
Are you ready, everyone?
Skylar,
We're
why
going
don't
to
you
turn
splat
around
there?
again.
That's it.
Picture again.
Wow.
Skylar's painter.
That's so cool. Amazing.
We're going to paint our pictures one more time.
Okay.
The yellow on this one. And then when we put it around one more time, you're all going to end up with your own picture again. Ready, big splat. Oh, good job, Grace. Ready, Skylar, you can do big splat. Okay. Where's your... Oh, look at that.
Got to get some paint. Skylar, do it.
Very good.
That's it. Yay.
These are looking so cool. Very good job, guys. Good job.
Yay. Yay.
Skylar, go on then.
That's nice.
I love the rain.
Fantastic.
That's it. Good girl.
Oh,
Lovely
good
job.
job. Are you ready to join in with us? Now, we're going to do some painting, but today we're going to paint with our feet. Have you ever painted with your feet before? You haven't? We've got some lovely different colours. So, what I need you all to do is, Emily, you go first for me. You're going to come line up over here. And then, Jessica, you're going to line up behind Emily. You want to do the purple, right? Stand on the paper for me. You're going to put one foot in.
Okay.
And the other foot. It's stuck. Stand on the paper. And then you're going to stand on the other one. Right, you ready?
Let's go.
And walk. Wow. Good job. And we'll let Jessica have a go. Right, Jessica, what colour do you want to use? Yellow. Right, okay. Are you ready? It's going to be cold.
Yay.
Oh! And then the other foot, put that one on the paper. Woo! Slip in. Right, you ready? And then we're gonna walk. That's it.
Wow.
Good job. You gonna turn around? Run. Awesome. Is it? Now splat it on. Are you ready? Splat it down. Like this. Can you do that? Oh, and another one. Oh, Oh, there you go. You ready for one then?
Put your hand on that.
You can scrunch
On that.
it. Put it
On
up.
that.
You
On
want to
that.
scrunch it up?
Put your hand on that. Put your hand on that. That's it.
You want to scrunch some up? You want to stick some somewhere?
No, I don't.
You don't want to? You want to do it flat?
Look at your hands. Keep washing. Keep washing. No?
Skylar, look.